In today's video, I'm taking you along in cleaning, decluttering, and organizing my fridge. I will be talking about a few things that have saved me money and headaches. So if you want to see the end result, just keep on watching.
Remember the days where we were wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing and having fun.
Typically, I deep clean my fridge every 3 months and then I maintain it on a weekly basis. But as you can see, life happens and cleaning my fridge was not a priority this time around. So today, I decided to get it done and go through all the food and condiments. I am pretty good at maintaining the fridge on a weekly basis, and at the end of every week, I do go through the leftovers and either I eat them or I dispose of them. So sometimes I mix all of the leftovers together and I create a new dish for dinner, which is depending on what I have left. But most of the time, I gotta say, it's nice to do those things because you try out new recipes and then you can make them another time. But it's a good way to save money as well instead of throwing them out because you don't know what else to do with them.
Summer love, you know I know what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we were meant to be. You were mine and I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you know I know what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we were meant to be. You were mine and I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy.
I meal plan every Saturday and I pick up groceries on Sundays. And this has been a game changer. I meal plan to save money and the headache of asking, what should I make today? I come up with 5 meals, 1 day of leftovers, and 1 day of takeout. We've been doing this for about 9 months and it has been great. I have also discovered that doing pickup for my groceries instead of going inside and doing the shopping myself has saved us a lot of money. I used to come out with $200 to $300 worth of groceries and everything else I saw at Walmart. And now I have been spending about $100 to $120, at the most $150 on a weekly basis. And I only buy what I need for my meal plans. And if there's anything else that I need that week, like such as dog food, soap, or cleaning supplies, I'll go ahead and add that. That's when it goes up to like $150. But other than that, if I stick to my my list of groceries, I'm saving a lot of money doing it this way. I just pick up groceries once a week, and it has been the best thing I've done for my family. And also, I find that food doesn't go bad on us as much, and we're not wasting our money.
Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine and I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy. Where did you go? Remember the days where we were wild and free, basic getting sprung.
Condiments tend to be good for a period of time, and I don't check their expiration dates that often. But what I do is I check them when I deep clean my fridge. So if a product is about to expire, or has a month left before it expires, I put them in a different location or compartment that will remind me to use it up. And I do like to use a FIFO system, first in, first out. So if I have multiple products of the same kind, like let's say ketchup, I will make sure that I use the one that's about to expire first before the other one. But I try not to buy a lot of the same thing. So I only have 1 bottle of regular ketchup, 1 of the spicy ketchup. So that way I don't have to look for what product is gonna expire first. organize things in the fridge so it's easier for my little ones to grab, such as their snacks, their yogurts or boiled eggs. And it just makes it easier for everyone. And I just think it looks pretty and organized. So, sometimes I have visitors and they will look at my fridge and they love it. So it's just satisfying, and it makes me feel good to see that my fridge is organized and clean. So in review, clean out your fridge on a weekly basis, meal plan every week, order only what you need, pick up groceries if possible, and stick to your meal plan and watch the headache disappear, and you get to save some money. Thank you everyone for watching my videos. Subscribe, thumbs up, come back and see me. Bye-bye.